Yeah guys, we're gonna go do 0 to 60 pulls right now, and we are gonna go up Highway 9 and see some nice scenery and some views, and go up Alice's. If you are local, you know where that is, on Skyline Boulevard, I believe. But yeah, we're gonna go right now, guys. All right, go. Alright guys, so that was 7.97 seconds, and we are going to try again once we hit a different stop line. Alright guys, ready? Second pull. Oh, we're going uphill, but whatever. Okay, 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, 8 seconds. Got 8 seconds. We're gonna go do the third pull. And ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Alright, 8.12 seconds. Alright, we're gonna do one last one. Ready, set, go. Okay, that one was 6 seconds. I don't know why. I'm gonna try to do it again because I'm doing something wrong, obviously. Oh my god, that guy was going so fast. 3, 2, 1. We're gonna start at 20. Go. Okay, 20 to 60 is 6.9. So obviously, the first and second gear aren't that good for this car. So if you start at 20 and go to 60, you will get a better experience overall with the pull, with the turbo. So that's what I've noticed with this car, is that if you start at 0, it's obviously not going to go 0 to 60 super quick, but if you start at 20, it's definitely going to go faster. I don't know if you guys know what I mean. If it has like a quick start, then at 20, then it will go faster than a usual 0 to 60. So that is it, guys. For the 0 to 60 pulls, I've noticed that from a 0 to 60 is not the best, but from a 20 to 60 it's better if you're rolling. Alright you guys, we are at basically the top of the hill, and we are enjoying this beautiful weather in California, and that is a super nice view, guys. I don't know if you guys can see it on. Alright you guys, there's some new super nice cars at Alice's. There is 3 GTRs, R35s, and they are all wrapped. One is gold, one is chrome teal, and one is red. And there's a McLaren M3, and then what else is there? There's a McLaren, there's an M3. Oh, and there's a Porsche GT3 RS wide body. These cars are super nice. Oh my god.